Good morning students. I hope you are doing well at home. Follow the instruction of government. Sanitize your hand. If you don't want to sanitize, just wash your hand with your soap or hand sanitizer or hand cleanser 2-3 times for the day. Okay. So I hope you are guys doing well. But as well as in resting time, we have to do our work or we have to do our studies also. So let's do our study. Continue with the maths. Here our exercise 1.1. Lastly in introduction we completed all the topics like addition of integers, multiplication of integers, subtraction of integers and then division of the integers. After that all things, now we move on our exercise 1.1, question number 1. So as you can see in question number 1, there is a number line given and that number line represent the temperature of the cities. See here Lahore, Srinagar, Simla, Ooty, Bengaluru, that all cities have a different temperature that is represented in degree Celsius. So now in our question there is a 4 questions given. So first question is what? Observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. मतलब हमको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे जितने भी सिटीज़ है उसका टेम्परेचर हमको यहाँ पे लिखना है, which is represented on number line. So start with the first one. See, first of all I will write place, then temperature. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cities are there on the number line. And according to that, temperatures are also given. Okay, so let's write the temperature one by one. Okay, so Lahore Spiti on the number line, where it is? Here. See, on the number line, 0 on the right side is positive number, 0 on the left side is negative integers or negative numbers. So on the number line, where is Lahore Spiti? Here. Now what is the temperature of Lahore Spiti? See, -5, after -5 is -6, -7 and that is -8. So the temperature of Lahore Spiti is -8 degree Celsius. Right? Now Srinagar, where is Srinagar? It is here. Now temperature of Srinagar, so count after 0, -1 and -2. So this point is on -2. So temperature of Srinagar is what? -2 degree Celsius. Easy. Same as Simla. What is the temperature of Simla? Now see, Simla is on the right side of the 0 and the Lahore Spiti and Srinagar is on the left side of the 0. So that is the negative temperature here and this side Simla is on the right side, so positive temperature here. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and that is 5. So temperature of Simla is what? Positive 5 degree Celsius. Easy. That's how Ooty. Where is Ooty? Ooty is marked here. So count after the 10. See 10, 11, 12, 13 and the 14. So that is positive 14. Why? Because the number line, right side of the number line 0 is all the positive numbers. So Ooty is on the 14 number. So 14 degree Celsius. Easy. Same as Bengaluru. Bengaluru after 15. See count. 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Then 21 and 22. On the 22 Bengaluru is marked, so 22 degree Celsius. So Bengaluru's temperature is what? 22 degree Celsius. So that's how you can find out all the cities' temperature. Lahore Spiti has a -8 degree temperature, Srinagar has a -2 degree temperature, Simla has a exact 5 degree temperature, Ooty has a 14 degree Celsius temperature and Bengaluru has a 22 degree Celsius temperature. Easy. Now we will move on our question number B of question number 1. Let's see. Okay, so question number 1 B. Now B what says? What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coolest place among the above? Now what is the hottest place here? What is the hottest city here? Bengaluru. Why? Because it is temperature is positive 22 degree Celsius. And what is the coldest place here? In Lahaul Spiti. Why? Because it is the lowest temperature minus 8 degree Celsius. So hottest place is where? Bengaluru, and so coldest place is what? Lahaul Spiti. So let's write first. Temperature is equal to 22 degree Celsius, same as coldest place temperature is equal to minus 8 degree Celsius. Here in the bracket we will write the name Bengaluru and the Lahaul Spiti. Okay, so hottest place is 22 degree Celsius Bengaluru, and the coldest place is Lahaul Spiti, which is minus 8 degree Celsius. So now we have both hottest city and the coldest city. Now what we have to do? Temperature difference between them. Difference means what? Difference means subtraction. So let's do the subtraction between these two. So I will write here difference is equal to hottest city minus coldest city. What is hottest city? Bengaluru, and temperature of hottest city is what? 22 degree Celsius. So here 22 degree Celsius minus coldest city is what? Coldest city is Lahaul Spiti. So its temperature is what? Minus 8 degree Celsius. So now difference between is what? See, 22 is positive, then minus, and the 8 is minus. So here minus minus again, minus minus is plus 8. Here 22 degree Celsius and minus 8 degree Celsius, and difference between them is so minus. Now minus minus is what? Plus. So that's why I open the bracket and put the sign plus. Now 22 plus 8 is what? Is equal to 30 degree Celsius. So this is the difference between hottest and coldest place among the above. So hottest place is Bengaluru and the coldest place is Lahaul Spiti. We took the difference between them and we got 30 degree Celsius. Easy. Now move on our okay students. So now question number 1 C. So what C says, what is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and the Srinagar? So what is the temperature of Lahaul Spiti? Minus 8. And what is the temperature of Srinagar? Srinagar is here minus 2. So let's take the difference. First of all, write the temperature of both cities. Okay, temperature of Lahaul Spiti is minus 8 degree Celsius and temperature of Srinagar is equal to what? Minus 2 degree Celsius. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do difference. Difference means subtraction. So let's do subtraction. Difference between Lahaul Spiti. Lahaul Spiti has minus 8 degree Celsius minus temperature of Srinagar. Srinagar is minus 2 degree Celsius here. So that's why I will write minus 8. Now open the bracket, minus minus becomes plus, so 2. So 8 minus 8 plus 2. So what is minus 8 plus 2? Which is 6. But here again we have to follow the rules. 6, but what is the bigger digit? Bigger digit is 8. So we have to put the sign of 8. Why? Because we are doing subtraction or addition. In addition or subtraction you have to put sign, and in multiplication you have to what? You have to do multiplication and with put sign. Now see, temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius, temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now difference, we have to take difference, so I put here subtraction. So minus 8 degrees Celsius minus in the bracket minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now I leave the bracket, so minus minus becomes plus. So minus 8 degrees Celsius plus 2 degrees Celsius. Now see, according to the rules, minus plus is what? Minus. Minus plus is minus. So that's why minus plus minus, but I have to perform this, not put sign. So I perform the subtraction. So 8 minus 2 is 6. And now the sign I have to put is bigger digit, which is 8. 8 has a negative sign, so negative 6. That's it. Now let's move on the okay students. So question number 1D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? And the second question is, in this second question also given, is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? मतलब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या कहना चाहता है, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि टेम्परेचर ऑफ श्रीनगर मतलब श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर एंड शिमला का टेम्परेचर इन दोनों का कंबाइन करें तो वो कितना होता है, शिमला से ज़्यादा होता है या शिमला से कम होता है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज इट ऑल्सो लेस देन द टेम्परेचर एट श्रीनगर, मतलब ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन है शिमला और श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर वो श्रीनगर से कम है, वो भी हमको चेक करना है, दैट वी हैव टू ऑल्सो चेक. सो लेट्स चेक वन बाय वन. First of all, we have to combine this Srinagar and Simla's temperature. So what is Srinagar temperature? I have to write here temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar is what? Here Srinagar has a minus 2 degree Celsius. Now temperature of Simla. Temperature of Simla is what? Here 5 degrees Celsius. Now we have to add them. See, temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together. Together मतलब दोनों का addition. So let's do that. Taken together मतलब दोनों का addition. So let's do that. Total temperature is equal to what? Minus 2 degrees Celsius plus, which is 5 degrees Celsius. So minus 2 plus 5. Again, see, minus plus is what? Minus plus minus. We have to do subtraction. We have to perform the third one, which is subtraction. In addition and subtraction, we have to perform this third one. And in multiplication, just we have to do put sign. So in addition or subtraction, what you have to do? We have to perform the last term. See, minus 2 plus 5. Minus plus is minus. So we have to perform subtraction. So 5 में से 2 जाएंगे. 5 minus 2 is what? 3. So answer is 3. So now what is bigger digit here? Bigger digit is 5. And what is the sign of 5? 5 is plus. So that is plus 3. If you want to write plus, that's okay. Not want to write, that is fine. So 3 degree Celsius is a combination of Srinagar and Simla's temperature. Now we have to check it is less than the temperature of Simla. मतलब ये जो हमने कॉम्बिनेशन पाया है, जो कॉम्बिनेशन हमको मिला है, इट इज़ लेस देन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ शिमला, ये शिमला के टेम्परेचर से कम है. लेट्स फाइंड आउट. शिमला's टेम्परेचर इज व्हाट? शिमला's टेम्परेचर वी ऑलरेडी लाइक. शिमला's टेम्परेचर इज 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड दिस इज we combination find out which is 3 degree Celsius. So obviously the Simla's temperature is 5 degree Celsius and the combination is 3 degree Celsius. So that is right, yes. So we can say that yes, together is less than the temperature of Simla at Simla. Now second question is what? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Now Srinagar का temperature क्या है? Here Srinagar का temperature is minus 2 degree. श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर क्या है, श्रीनगर का है -2 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो -2 डिग्री सेल्सियस and this is the 3 degree Celsius. So is it less than the -2 degree Celsius? Obviously no. 3 degree Celsius is positive and this is the negative. So -2 degree Celsius is less than 3 degree Celsius. So you can say that no, it is not less than the Srinagar temperature. The combination of Srinagar and Shimla's temperature is not less than the Srinagar temperature. So this is how you can do all these A, B, C and D of question number 1. If you have any doubts, you can just move on the video's first part and again repeat it so you can understand properly. Okay, here see, here the benefit of these videos. If you are coming in a class, we have to explain again and again if you don't understand, but in videos what you can do, you can just move back and again start. If you don't know understand, again you move back and again start. So it is easy for you and you can understand properly. So that is the benefits of videos. So this is how we can complete our question number 1, and in next video we will do question number 2 and 3. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.